You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this adjective, a very positive quality for a human being, to have empathy. The adjective in English is pronounced as British English, empathetic, empathetic. The stress is on the third syllable, the th syllable. Empathetic, or in American English in the US as opposed to the UK, it is pronounced as empathetic. Empathetic, or how to pronounce empathetic. Empathetic pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.